I'm a sucker for scooters, always have been. My very first powered vehicle was an ancient Lambretta LD with a fierce clutch, a seize-as-you-go engine, and a top speed of about 45 miles an hour. I loved that thing. It taught me volumes about how to navigate around the vagaries of difficult machinery, and when it was running, the simple joys of coasting along quiet country roads. And then I more or less forgot about scooters for decades. Occasionally I'd see a motorcycle magazine article which would surprise me by featuring something exotic, like a Heinkel Tourist or a Velocette Viceroy, and which would rekindle my interest. But those machines seemed impractical for modern riding conditions, and too fragile for regular use. Then my friend Norm talked me into taking his Suzuki Burgman 650 for a spin. It was bigger and heavier than any scooter I'd encountered before. With some trepidation I sat on the massively wide seat and started it. Holy cow, this thing is fast. With barely a whisper it rocketed up to license-losing speeds. And it had brakes, proper effective ones that actually stopped it quickly, and stuttered if you tried to lock the wheels. And it handled beautifully. Once it was moving, I could swing it around like a lightweight. Before long, there was a blue one in my garage. And not long after that I was on the road heading for a tour of Newfoundland with my wife, before heading back across Labrador. Unpaved roads on a scooter? The Burgman handled them perfectly well. Long highway miles? The Burgman happily cruised at 120 kph, with plenty of power in reserve. And then, like a fool, I sold it. My old motor Guzzi needed some engine work and I was cash poor at the time. I don't regret getting the Guzzi's engine work done, but I should have found another way to finance it. Fast forward a few more years and all of a sudden another Burgman's arrived in my garage. This one's an executive with electric folding mirrors and adjustable windscreen. It's black, smart, smooth, quick and comfortable. It's a joy to ride long distances, and it's an interesting counterpoint to my garage full of Guzzis. It's not better or worse, just completely different, and just as satisfying and engaging to ride. Believe you need to shift gears for a full riding experience? Strangely, I find driving cars and trucks with automatic transmissions to be a tedious experience, yet I'm entirely happy with an automatic motorcycle or scooter. One of my previous Guzzis was automatic, and it was a blast to ride. Some people just don't get scooters. I can understand that, although I have a feeling that that posture's often an attitude to disguise some deep-seated feelings of gender insecurity. I don't feel as though my masculinity is in any danger when I ride the Burgman. It's a fun two-wheeled machine that I enjoy riding, and that's good enough for me. Is it fast enough? Yes. Its performance is roughly equivalent to a Suzuki V-Strom 650 or a Kawasaki Versys 650. Is it comfortable? Yes. Although there isn't a whole lot of suspension travel, and the ride can get a bit choppy on rough pavement. Does it handle? Oh yes. That low centre of gravity and long wheelbase make for excellent road manners. Don't tell my Guzzis, but it may be the best handling bike in my garage. Thanks for watching. My various books. Oh, you've heard the blurb before. Just search for Nick Adams Motorcycle. That'll find me.